Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a new interior mod for the C8 today. One more piece of carbon fiber, so I'm going to show you guys the piece and show you how to put it on. So this is the new part. It's a carbon fiber gauge cluster cover made by Extreme Online Stores, so shout out to EOS for this piece. You can see looks really great, has a deep shine. So I'm going to put this over the OEM silver piece and I'll show you guys what it looks like in the car. So this is the part that the carbon fiber cover goes over. You can see actually it's not silver, it's like a satin black. It's got some texture on it there. So what we're going to do is just kind of wipe this down, take the adhesive off the back of the new part, and then we are placing it on. So placing the cover on is really simple. Just be aware of these little angles here. You just have to kind of turn it a bit until you can get it in place, and then it'll press right in really gently. And that is it. You can see it fits pretty perfectly lined up here. Actually really impressed with the fitment. Looks like OEM.